Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will share with you guys my everyday makeup routine. So you want to see how I accomplish this makeup, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me later on. So I know it has been a long time without me actually doing any videos or anything. I have been super busy at work. I'm back to work. I've been back to work since May 18, and today I just want to sit down and share with you guys my everyday makeup now, since we have to wear this mask. I'm still trying to look a little presentable to go to work and do a little bit of makeup, share with you guys my everyday makeup routine to go to work, quarantine edition. We're gonna start off with my skincare. For moisturizer, I have the Lala Retro Wiping Cream. Sorry. So it's this right here. You can see it there. Yeah, that. And I also have the Drunk Elephant D Bronzing Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drop. So normally I either put this first and then this after, but today sometimes I mix them together because this one, like, it bronzes my skin and I don't really like that much. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the moisturizer, not much, because you guys, that moisturizer is super expensive and I don't want, you know. And then I will take a drop of this, like a tiny bit, and mix it together and apply that. I've been using this since I bought it. You guys saw it at my Sephora spring sale, and I haven't noticed a big difference, but I don't know. Maybe I haven't put closely attention to my skin or anything, but like, I like having a routine now, because before I didn't have no routine at all. My last step on my oh my god, my last step of my skincare is sunscreen. So I have the super good glow skin. I love this, guys. I love this sunscreen. It's so good, and then it lets my face with like this inner glow, and it has like a little color to it. So I love that. That's why I feel like I don't have to put a lot of concealer. I'm gonna do my brows first. Let me get my little handy dandy mirror. Um, a new product, a brow product that I found thanks to an Instagrammer. The I don't know. I will leave her information down below. But like, I was watching her Instagram, and she said that she loved the Elf Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, which is this one. It's like a dupe. I would say it's even better than Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil or any of those expensive brow pencil. And this one is like $5 or under $5, and it does the job perfectly. I will never ever again would spend $20 or more for a brow pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna speed this up because you guys know how everybody has their own way of doing their brows, and I really don't have much time to, like, go in and explain how I do my brows because I'm going to work. So let me just, I'm gonna look to the side, but you guys are gonna be able to see what I'm doing. And I might even look behind the camera because I have a big mirror over there. Yeah, back there. So if you guys are looking for a very good pencil, I bought the wrong color, so I already ordered my correct color, but I'm still using this because I already spent the money. Okay, so that's how my brows look, but now we're going to the best part, which is the cleaning. So I'm obsessed with this Ography Pro Angle Liner. This is the best brush to clean your brows. Oh my god, it leaves them so nice. And I have this Wet n Wild concealer corrector. I'm using this concealer to I'm using this concealer to clean my brows. This is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I just take a little bit of it and go through my brows so they stay in place all day long, because it's super hot and I don't want them to be, moving on me or anything. So yeah, I finished the most difficult part, which is the brows, and I'm pleased, very happy how they look. Let me see, I just had to blend a little bit more right here in the center. Make sure my ends on my brows look decent. Yeah, right there. So now I'm gonna go on with my concealer. You guys have seen this, but like, I'm still obsessed. This is my second one. I had to buy from L'Oreal Infallible full coverage. This is amazing. It's really full coverage. So I just go in and tap when I have any like pimple or imperfection. I normally like to go through my nose and just add a little bit of concealer, so we can cover a little bit of our imperfection, like I said. And yeah, let me just spray. I'm running out of time, guys. I'm running out of time. Spray beauty spray, setting spray. Then now I would take powder, and the one that I have here is the Huda Beauty uh, Easy Bake Loose Baking Setting Powder in Pound Cake. I was having the wrong side. This one, and I'm gonna set. I think I overdid it. Shit. Oh my god, what I did, what I had done. So I'm gonna take powder and put it everywhere where I apply concealer, so my concealer don't move. I mean, basically everywhere in my entire face, so I don't sweat either, because it feels like 100 degrees. I mean, yesterday it was super hot, like I was dripping sweat. I will just put it on and take it off right away. I keep looking at time because I don't want to run out of time. I don't want to get to work late today, because lately I've been coming to work super late. I mean, not super, but like late. I'm just gonna take this powder off. That's that. And I'm gonna take a little bit of contour or like a bronzer to bring some color into my face. Favorite bronzer is by Fenty Beauty. Good. So I'm gonna add color back to my skin. Can't really look at my nose, but I want to feel pretty, I don't want to, just because of the mask, I don't want to look ugly under the mask. I want to look pretty too. We're going for mascara. And my favorite, let me drink some water. The best and my favorite mascara of right now, I said right now, no, I said right now, for a while now, is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And I had showed this. Have I showed this in a video? I don't think so. I think I shared this with some people, with the people that I have on Instagram. And this mascara is no joke, and the best part is super affordable. If you don't have a good mascara, go get your hands on this. It's amazing. I feel like you shouldn't spend that much money on mascara. So let me add mascara. And we almost done, people. We are almost done. Because, you know, it's an everyday makeup. Let me shut up. Look. And that's just with one layer. I'm done. Now I'm gonna put setting spray. I have the Glam Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray, which is this one right here. Spray. What is a video without racy highlight? Nada. Which is this one, you guys. My favorite highlight. I love this. I will always have this with me. Like, I just assess. So I will add highlight in my nose right here, cheeks right there, shining like a diamond. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do now. It makes no sense at all because, you know, I'm gonna have a mask on, but if I don't put lipstick, did I even do my makeup? That's the question. So I'm gonna add lipstick, okay? And I will use this pen so that you guys know this is the only lip liner that I use no matter what. Like the NYX lip pencil in brown. That's my essential. And then for lipstick, I have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. 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 And I would add this. Let me go back with that. Okay, let me do this final step, which is applying baking brightening powder. Okay, and this is by KKW and #1, and I love this thing. It brightens my under eye so well. It makes it seem like I did more than what I actually did. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is all. Thank you for watching my video.